Hello students, see here, today we are going to solve one more question of the same topic which we have discussed in our earlier lecture. In our earlier lecture, what we have done, we have read paragraph given on page number 151 and solve the note making activity given on page number 150 with the help of tree diagram. And now the same paragraph we are going to fill or make notes with the help of this table given on the same page 150. So let's solve it. We have read already paragraph. Now what to do in the exam exactly? Exam मध्ये either tree diagram or table provide केला जाईल. जर table असेल तर as it is त्यांनी दिलेला table draw करून घ्या. Lines again you have to draw with pencil and scale carefully. And the main points you have to write with pen here. Now let's start. बघा जो टायटल आहे कदाचित तुम्हाला इथं टायटल पण ते देणार नाही. ते सुद्धा तुम्हाला शोधून काढावं लागेल. इथं जर फिलअप असतं तर तुम्ही हे लिहिलं पाहिजे बॉडीली प्रोसेस किंवा प्राण. हे टायटल तुम्ही सजेस्ट केलं पाहिजे. आणि म्हणून कधी पण ही डायग्राम स्टार्ट करताना ऑलरेडी टायटल दिलंय का हे कन्फर्म करा. And then highlight the title. Now the second thing what they have made, they have given us three doshas, Vata, Pitta, Kapha. Now according our paragraph reading, first point is associated with. Vata is associated with air and ether. That has given. Pitta is associated with fire and water. So note down here fire and water. Again here highlight the point. Kapha is associated with water and earth. Again you have to highlight it. बघा टेबल मध्ये तुमचं आन्सर हे वेगळे पण दिसलं पाहिजे. Next characteristics they have given here of Vata, Pitta, you have to write of Kapha. What will you write? Large, heavy, oily complexion, correct, slow, calm, peaceful. Here underline it. Got it? Now come to the third point, imbalance causes of Vata. What are those? Nervous problem. तिथं आहे बघा पॅरेग्राफची लाईन मिस करायची नाही, पॉइंट मिस करायचे नाही. नेक्स्ट ओके नेक्स्ट सांगा हेडेक. आणखीन काय काय आलेले आहेत सांगा. व्हॉट? लोअर बॅक पेन्स. तिथं किती गाळलेल्या जागा ठेवलेल्या आहेत तेवढेच तुम्ही लिहायच्या आहेत. 3 असतील तर फक्त 3च द्यायचे तिथे. अंडरस्टँड? आणि हायलाइट इट. इन दिस वे यू हॅव कम्प्लीटेड द टेबल ऑल्सो. समजलं का नोट मेकिंगचा क्वेश्चन? इन शॉर्ट वन्स अगेन आय एम रिपीटिंग. गिव द टायटल फर्स्ट. Next, whatever points they have supported or given in the exam, copy it as it is. With the help of pencil and pen, scale, you have to draw lines. Give the points with pen only. And whatever point you are writing or fill-ups are there, highlight it. Got it? Okay, students. Thank you.